Hello, my friends. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 17th, 2022. Do me a favor, my friends, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet and you want to see more of these and get alerts, do so. Please hit that subscribe button. We're looking to make 1,000 subscribers by the end of July. That's a really important number. We want to hit that number, and that'll help allow us to keep growing and providing more and more content. So please show your support in that regard. You can do so by sharing if you've already subscribed. And at the end of the video, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, my friends. It's currently May 31st, 2022, 7:58 p.m. So overall theme and behavior for the 17th is a prominent move higher. Prominent move higher. And the behavior into the high is going to be a big move, possibly pushing the upper end of a range higher. Behavior around the low is going to be a move higher through resistance, followed by we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through that same price level, and the low will be somewhere around that behavior. We have a gap down. Yeah, we have a gap down, guys. Oh, come on. All right, there we go. We got a gap down and an opportunity right around the open to position oneself on both sides of the market. So I'll likely be opening up calls here right around the open. There's a decline to and through support. We bounce along the support, and then we break down through more supports. And in that midst of that is likely an opportunity, a fake out there, an opportunity to open up some calls. With that fake out in the first half hour. Then we bounce along a support level roughly from 10 to 11. That's that works card which we saw on the 16th in the pre-market. We saw it predicted, from the 15th it would be important on the 16th. But it also correlates to this card here, the 4 of discs. And then we have it again here, guys. So it's a significant level. That's a significant level. I think we'll see it multiple times this week. There's a trough here. Looks like in the midst of a holding pattern between roughly 11 and 12. And that holding pattern turns into a big move to the upside. Even in the face of negative headwinds, we break out through resistance. And the rally picks up steam for moving out of the midday breakout and into early afternoon. There's a trade opportunity in the midst of that breakout. It looks like a scalping opportunity there. And then we sell from that big move higher. We sell down to a support level, through the support level, and then back up to that level and use it as support again. In the last hour, there is an attempt to establish support in near overbought territory on the RSI, and attempt to establish support right around the close. Looks like we failed to establish that support. And there's an opportunity right around the close to open up short positions or puts, protect against long positions as well. Sneak preview for the following day, which will be the 20th, is revisiting of a crest that was an opportunity, was a past opportunity, and it'll take place in the midst of erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. That's the June 16th, 2022 reading. Hit that like button, guys, and don't forget, when you make that money, pay some of that forward. I'll see you on the next one.